From the quiet fields where earth yields its bounty, to the roaring heart of industrial innovation, lies a story rarely told. A tale of transformation, where humble beginnings become a global phenomenon. We consume them by the billions, a symphony of crunch and flavor, yet few ever glimpse the hidden world behind these everyday delights. What unseen forces are at play? What meticulous processes turn a simple potato into that irresistible, golden crisp? Tonight, we pull back the curtain, venturing deep into the pulsating core of a modern potato chip factory. Prepare to discover the secrets, the science, and the sheer scale of an operation that feeds our insatiable craving for the perfect snack. This isn't just about food. It's about precision, passion, and the relentless pursuit of that ultimate, satisfying crunch. Step inside and witness the intricate dance of machinery and raw ingredients, where every chip has a journey, and every journey is a marvel of modern engineering. This is the untold saga of how crunchy snacks are mass-produced, a journey into the very essence of industrial magic. The potato chip, a seemingly simple snack, carries a surprisingly rich and often debated history. While its exact origin is shrouded in culinary legend, the most popular tale attributes its invention to George Crumb, a chef at Moon's Lake House in Saratoga Springs, New York, in 1853. The story goes that a demanding customer, Cornelius Vanderbilt, repeatedly sent back his fried potatoes, complaining they were too thick. Frustrated, Crumb supposedly sliced the potatoes paper-thin, fried them to a crisp, and salted them heavily, intending to annoy the finicky patron. To his surprise, Vanderbilt loved them, and the Saratoga chips were born. This anecdote, while charming, has been challenged by historians who point to earlier mentions of thinly sliced fried potatoes in cookbooks. Regardless of its precise genesis, the potato chip quickly captured the American palate, evolving from a restaurant delicacy to a widespread snack. Early production was a laborious affair, often done by hand in small batches. Women would peel, slice, and fry potatoes in their kitchens, selling them to local stores or directly to consumers. The advent of the mechanical potato peeler in the 1920s, followed by automated slicers and fryers, marked a pivotal shift. Suddenly, mass production became a viable reality. Companies like Lay's, founded by Herman Lay in 1932, began to scale operations, distributing chips far and wide. The introduction of cellophane bags in the 1920s was another game-changer, keeping chips fresh for longer and allowing for broader distribution. Before this, chips were often sold in barrels or tins, quickly going stale. The humble potato chip, once a regional curiosity, was now poised for global domination. But what makes a potato chip so universally appealing? It's a complex interplay of sensory experiences. The sound, that unmistakable, satisfying crunch, is a key component. Research has shown that the louder the crunch, the more enjoyable the chip is perceived to be. This isn't just psychological, it's linked to the chip's texture and freshness. Then there's the flavor profile. The saltiness, often balanced with subtle notes of potato and oil, creates a highly addictive combination. The fat content contributes to the rich mouthfeel and helps carry the flavor compounds. And let's not forget the visual appeal, the golden brown hue, often with slight variations that hint at artisanal preparation, even in a mass-produced product. It's a multi-sensory masterpiece, meticulously engineered for maximum enjoyment. The sheer scale of potato chip consumption is staggering. Globally, billions of pounds of potatoes are transformed into chips every year. The industry is a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, with new flavors and innovations constantly emerging to capture market share. From classic salted to exotic spices, the variety is endless, catering to diverse palates across continents. Did you know that the average American consumes approximately 6.5 pounds of potato chips annually? That's a lot of crunch. And it's not just America. Countries like the UK, Australia, and Japan also have a deep-seated love affair with this crispy snack. The demand drives continuous innovation in farming, processing, and packaging, pushing the boundaries of efficiency and sustainability. Consider the potato itself. Not just any potato will do for chip production. Specific varieties are cultivated for their ideal starch content, low sugar levels, and consistent size and shape. High sugar content can lead to excessive browning during frying, resulting in an undesirable burnt taste. Varieties like the Russet Burbank, Kennebec, and Atlantic are often favored by chip manufacturers for their robust characteristics. These potatoes are grown in vast fields, often under strict agricultural guidelines to ensure quality and consistency. The journey of a chip begins long before it ever reaches the factory floor, rooted in the soil and nurtured by dedicated farmers. This careful selection of raw material is the first critical step in creating a premium product. Beyond the potato, the oil used for frying is equally crucial. Vegetable oils like sunflower, canola, corn, or soybean oil are commonly employed. The choice of oil significantly impacts the final flavor, texture, and nutritional profile of the chip. Manufacturers often select oils with high smoke points to withstand the intense heat of continuous frying without breaking down or imparting off flavors. The oil is constantly filtered and replenished to maintain its quality throughout the production process, a testament to the meticulous control exercised within these facilities. This attention to detail, from farm to fryer, underscores the commitment to delivering a consistent and high-quality product every single time. The evolution of packaging has also played a vital role in the chip's success. From those early cellophane bags, we've moved to sophisticated multi-layered foil and plastic laminates that provide superior barrier protection against moisture, oxygen, and light. These elements are the enemies of freshness, causing chips to go stale or rancid. Nitrogen flushing, where air inside the bag is replaced with inert nitrogen gas, is another common technique to extend shelf life and prevent oxidation. This not only keeps the chips crisp but also protects them from crushing during transport. The seemingly simple bag is, in fact, a marvel of material science, designed to preserve that perfect crunch until the moment it's opened. Have you ever wondered about the precise thickness of a potato chip? It's not arbitrary. Most chips are sliced to a thickness of about 0.05 to 0.07 inches, 1.3 to 1.8 millimeters. This specific dimension is crucial for achieving the ideal crispness and ensuring even cooking. Too thick, and the chip will be chewy. Too thin, and it will burn easily. This seemingly minor detail is the result of countless hours of research and development, fine-tuning the perfect balance between texture, cook time, and structural integrity. It's a testament to the scientific approach taken in modern food manufacturing, where every variable is carefully controlled to produce a consistent and desirable outcome. The world of potato chips is also a hotbed of innovation. Beyond traditional flavors, companies constantly experiment with new seasonings, textures, and even potato varieties. Kettle-cooked chips, for instance, offer a thicker, harder crunch due to a different frying process involving smaller batches and lower temperatures. Wavy chips provide a different mouthfeel and are designed to hold dips more effectively. Even the humble potato chip has become a canvas for culinary creativity, reflecting global flavor trends and consumer preferences. This dynamic evolution ensures that the snack remains relevant and exciting, continually captivating new generations of consumers. The environmental footprint of potato chip production is also a growing concern, driving efforts towards sustainability. Factories are investing in energy-efficient equipment, optimizing water usage, and exploring ways to reduce waste. Potato peels, for example, are often repurposed as animal feed or compost. Packaging innovations are also focusing on recyclable or biodegradable materials to minimize plastic waste. The industry is keenly aware of its responsibility, striving to balance consumer demand with ecological stewardship. This commitment to sustainability is becoming an increasingly important aspect of modern food manufacturing, reflecting a broader shift in industrial practices. Consider the sheer volume of potatoes processed daily in a large factory. We are talking about hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of pounds. This requires an incredibly efficient and robust supply chain, from the farms to the factory gates. Potatoes are typically stored in climate-controlled facilities to prevent sprouting or spoilage before processing. The logistics involved in transporting such massive quantities, often across long distances, are a marvel of modern supply chain management. It's a symphony of coordination, ensuring a continuous flow of raw materials to meet the relentless demand for the finished product. And what about the quality control measures? They are incredibly stringent. From the moment potatoes arrive, they undergo rigorous inspection for defects, size, and quality. During processing, chips are continuously monitored for color, moisture content, and oil levels. Advanced optical sorters can detect and remove imperfect chips, ensuring only the best make it into the bag. Metal detectors are used to prevent any foreign objects from contaminating the product. This multi-layered approach to quality assurance guarantees that every bag of chips meets the highest standards of safety and excellence. It's a commitment to the consumer, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable experience with every single bite. The journey of a potato chip from field to bag is a fascinating testament to human ingenuity and industrial efficiency. It's a process honed over decades, blending traditional techniques with cutting-edge technology to create a product that is both simple and incredibly complex. The next time you open a bag of chips, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of science, engineering, and culinary art that brought it to your hands. It's more than just a snack. It's a story of transformation, a triumph of mass production, and a symbol of our enduring love affair with the perfect crunch. The journey begins long before the potato even reaches the factory floor. Our raw material, the humble potato, is carefully selected from specific varieties grown for their ideal starch content and low sugar levels. These potatoes arrive at the factory in massive trucks, often directly from the farms. Upon arrival, they are immediately unloaded into large receiving bins. The first critical step is quality inspection. Samples are taken from each batch to check for size, defects, and overall quality. Any potatoes that don't meet the stringent standards are rejected. Once approved, the potatoes embark on their automated journey. They are first transported via conveyor belts into a large washing drum. Here, powerful jets of water remove dirt, debris, and any lingering soil. This isn't just a superficial rinse. It's a thorough cleaning process designed to prepare the potatoes for the next stage. After washing, they move into a mechanical peeler. These industrial peelers use abrasive surfaces or steam to gently remove the skin without damaging the potato flesh. The peels are then collected and often repurposed, minimizing waste. With their skins removed, the now clean and peeled potatoes are conveyed to the slicing station. This is where the magic of consistency truly begins. High-speed rotary slicers, equipped with razor-sharp blades, cut the potatoes into uniform, paper-thin slices. As mentioned earlier, this precise thickness, typically between 0.05 to 0.07 inches, is crucial for achieving the desired crispness. The slicers operate with incredible precision, ensuring that every chip has the same optimal thickness for even cooking. Immediately after slicing, the raw potato slices are immersed in a cold water bath. This serves a dual purpose. It removes excess starch from the surface of the slices, which helps prevent them from sticking together during frying and contributes to a crispier final product. It also prevents enzymatic browning, keeping the chips looking fresh and appealing. Following the cold water bath, the slices pass through a dewatering system, often a vibrating screen or air knives, to remove as much surface moisture as possible. Excess water can cause oil splatter and affect the frying process. Now, the moment of transformation, frying. The dewatered potato slices are fed into massive, continuous fryers filled with hot vegetable oil, maintained at a precise temperature, typically between 325 degrees Fahrenheit and 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius and 190 degrees Celsius. The chips travel through the hot oil on a conveyor system, ensuring uniform cooking. The frying process rapidly dehydrates the potato slices, turning their starchy interior into a light, crispy texture. The oil is continuously filtered to remove any potato debris and is replenished to maintain optimal quality and temperature. This constant monitoring and maintenance of the oil are paramount for flavor and safety. As the chips emerge from the fryer, golden brown and perfectly crisp, they are gently lifted out of the oil and allowed to drain excess oil. This is a critical step to prevent the chips from becoming greasy. They then pass under a seasoning applicator. Here, A fine mist or powder of salt and other flavorings is evenly distributed over the chips. This can range from simple salt to complex spice blends, depending on the product line. The chips are often tumbled gently to ensure even coating of the seasoning. Following seasoning, the chips undergo a rigorous quality control check. Advanced optical sorters, equipped with high-resolution cameras, scan each chip for color, size, and any imperfections. Any chips that are overcooked, undercooked, or have visible defects are automatically detected and removed from the production line. This ensures that only the highest quality chips make it to packaging. Metal detectors are also strategically placed along the line to catch any minute metallic contaminants, upholding the highest safety standards. The perfectly seasoned and inspected chips are then conveyed to the packaging area. Here, they are carefully weighed and dropped into preformed bags. These bags are typically made of multi-layered foil or plastic laminates designed to protect the chips from moisture, oxygen, and light. Before sealing, the air inside the bag is often flushed out and replaced with an inert gas, usually nitrogen. This nitrogen flushing helps to prevent oxidation, extending the shelf life of the chips and maintaining their freshness and crispness. Once filled and flushed, the bags are hermetically sealed by heat, creating an airtight package. These sealed bags then move to secondary packaging, where they are grouped into larger multi-packs or boxes, ready for distribution. Robotics and automated systems play a significant role in this final stage, efficiently handling and stacking the finished products. The entire process, from raw potato to sealed bag, is a marvel of automation and precision, minimizing human contact and maximizing efficiency and hygiene. Throughout the entire factory, safety protocols are paramount. Employees wear protective gear, and machinery is equipped with safety interlocks. Regular maintenance checks are performed on all equipment to prevent breakdowns and ensure continuous, safe operation. The factory environment is kept meticulously clean, with strict sanitation procedures in place to prevent contamination. This comprehensive approach to safety and hygiene is fundamental to modern food manufacturing, ensuring both product integrity and worker well-being. Finally, the packaged chips are loaded onto pallets and prepared for shipping. They are then transported by truck to distribution centers and ultimately to retail stores, ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. The journey from a simple potato in the ground to a perfectly crunchy chip in your hand is a complex, highly orchestrated process, a testament to the power of industrial innovation and the relentless pursuit of snack perfection. Every step, from the initial wash to the final seal, is meticulously controlled, ensuring that every bag delivers that consistent, satisfying crunch we all know and love. And there you have it, the incredible journey of the potato chip, from a humble tuber in the soil to the satisfying crunch in your hand. It's a testament to human ingenuity, precision engineering, and an unwavering commitment to quality that transforms a simple ingredient into a global phenomenon. We've peeled back the layers, revealing the hidden world of automation, rigorous quality control, and the scientific pursuit of the perfect snack. But the world of food manufacturing is vast and full of equally fascinating transformations. Have you ever considered what it takes to turn a towering field of sugarcane into the sweet crystals that grace our tables every day? The scale, the science, the sheer power involved in that process is nothing short of astounding. If you found the secrets of the potato chip factory intriguing, you won't want to miss our next deep dive. Click on the video that just appeared on your screen to uncover what really happens inside a modern sugar factory. How millions of tons of cane become sugar. It's another journey into the heart of industrial magic, revealing the complex processes behind one of the world's most ubiquitous ingredients. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our industrial explorations. And tell us in the comments below, what was the most surprising thing you learned about potato chip production today? We love hearing your thoughts.